Hey guys, let's say I have to propose some UI changes or some A/B tests or some updates to this brand. Suppose I'm working for this brand. I just want to show some A/B test ideas, like they can make some upsell offers into their design. So if I show them the actual design, then that will communicate much better. So let me show you. I have created this upsell offer order old mattress removal with with addition of $50. So if the brand or the decision maker will see that we will offer this like this with the checkbox, so that they can later on A/B test this offer. So this by showing this UI elements, they will be more the message will be conveyed more effectively. So I have created this UI in just few seconds. Let me just show you that how I created this one. So first of all, I copied the URL of the product page and went to this website. And here I have added the URL right here, and I needed this section. So I just copied the ID of this section, and here I have pasted the ID, and I needed the desktop design, so I needed to convert. So within few moments, I will have the actual UI design of this whole page. And once I have the whole uh, UI, exact layer by layer UI of this page, I'll be able to make the changes effectively using the Figma AI agent. Let me show you how it works. So let's copy the Figma design right from here, and I'll just paste it here. You can see there are the design is not 100% perfect, but it is converted layer by layer. So we just need to make few adjustments like this one, and maybe this element is present right here. We can move it further down, but you get the idea. So here we have this section, and this section, uh, and all of these three make the buy box. So because I'm currently on the Figma Pro, I can just go to this element, and here I can just mention that I need to offer old mattress removal as add-on for $50. Create the UI. So within few moments, I will have the UI design. So once I have the UI design, I'll be able to communicate more effectively. You can see I have all the layers right here. So I can just tweak with any of the area. By the way, this website is free to use. There is no sign up required, no monthly limits. You can use it according to your need. So you can see that okay, I need to fix something in this command. You can see that I am missing the font. You can just proceed anyway for now. But if you need the exact design, you can upload the actual fonts. So within few moments, I will be able to have the exact UI design that I can show the stakeholders and communicate my message more effectively. You can see. I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let me know and we will help you. Thank you.